Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I will use this video to show you and explain to you the way how you can use the text to reveal features on Instagram story. So you just need to open the Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is just go open your Instagram account, slide into the right side to access the Instagram story camera. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this photo library collection and pick the picture that you want to use. The next, take a look on the top side. There could be this icon, just tap it. Now go click this refill, and then you just need to go tap any text that you want to tap here, and then you just need to go tap done. Now this picture later on after you post it, it could be like blurry until the followers send you the message, and then you just need to upload to your story and you are done. So basically that is the way how you can use these features on Instagram story. Hopefully you understand, and let's meet again into other tutorial.